Let's evaluate the following expression. So here we have square root of 1 over square root of 27 whole raised to the power of 2 minus log of 13 with a base of 5 divided by 2 times log of 9 with a base of 5. So our first step will be converting the radical to its exponential form. So that means we will have 1 over square root of 27 whole raised to the power of 2 minus log of 13 with a base of 5 divided by 2 times log of 9 with a base of 5. And this will be raised to the power of 1/2. Now we have log of 13 with a base of 5 divided by log of 9 with a base of 5. This can be combined using a property of logarithm. That means if we have log of a with a base of c divided by log of b with a base of c, where c is a positive number, then this is equivalent to log of a with a base of c. So in our case, we have log of 13 with a base of 5 divided by log of 9 with a base of 5. This will become equivalent to log of 13 with a base of 9. Now let's use this. We'll get 1 over square root of 27 whole raised to the power of 2 minus log of 13 with a base of 9 divided by 2. So that means 1/2 multiplied to it, and this entire thing is whole raised to the power of 1/2. Now we can multiply the exponents. So this will give us 1 over square root of 27. So we will multiply 2 minus 1/2 log of 13 with a base of 9 to 1/2. So this will give us 1 over square root of 27 whole raised to the power of, so we have 2 times half, so that will be 1, minus 1/2 multiplied to 1/2 will be 1/4. So we 1/4 log of 13 with a base of 9. Right. Now we can further simplify it as 1 over square root of 27 raised to the power of 1 multiplied to 1 over square root of 27 raised to the power of negative 1/4 log of 13 with a base of 9. So here we have 1 over square root of 27. So 1 over square root of 27 can be also expressed as 1 over 27 whole raised to the power of 1/2 in the exponent form. And 1 over 27 means 1 over 3 cubed raised to the power of 1/2, which will become 1 over 3 raised to the power of, so the 3 and 1/2 will get multiplied to give us 1 over 3 over 2. And we can take the 3 from the denominator to the numerator. This will give us 3 raised to the power of negative 1, or simply 3 raised to the power of negative 3 over 2. So this is 1 over square root of 27. Fine. Furthermore, what is 3? So 3 is simply the square root of 9. So we have square root of 9 raised to the power of negative 3 over 2. And square root of 9 means 9 raised to the power of 1/2 all raised to the power of negative 3 over 2. Or we can say this is equals to 9 raised to the power of negative 3 divided by 4. Here we multiply the exponent. So this is the value 1 over square root of 27. 9 raised to the power of negative 3 over 4. This will become evident in the moment why we have made this arrangement here. So 1 over square root of 27. So that's 9 raised to the power of negative 3 over 4. Multiplied to 1 over square root of 27. So 9 raised to the power of negative 3 over 4. Whole raised to the power of negative 1 over 4 times log of 13 with a base of 9. So that's 9 raised to the power of negative 3 over 4 times 9. So here we can multiply the exponents. So negative 3 over 4 times negative 1 over 4 will become 3 over 16 times log 13 with a base of 9. And we can raise 3 over 16 as the exponent of 13 by using a property of log, which is a times log b equals to log of b raised to the power of a. And this is going to give us 9 raised to the power of negative 3 over 4 times 9 raised to the power of log of 13 raised to the power of 3 over 16 with a base of 9. Now, this was the effort of writing everything 1 over square root of 27 in terms of 9. That's because if we look at the base of the exponent, that's 9, and the base of the logarithm is also 9. Here we are going to use the property a raised to the power of log of b with the base of a. So the base of the exponent and the base of the logarithm are equal. Then in that case, the entire expression reduces to b. So our expression is going to reduce to 13 raised to the power of 3 over 16. So that means we will get 9 raised to the power of negative 3 over 4 multiplied to 13 raised to the power of 3 over 16. So this is the final value of a given expression.